Eduardo Romero is a freshman at Elk Grove High School.
This program, I know it's been here for a while, but this year really just, I would say, started to blossom.
The students with blossoming interest in the school farm, not in the barn, but in the greenhouse.
Maybe they're not so into the animal projects that are at the farm currently or going to be hosted in the future, and they just want something that's after school, relaxing, that they can work on independently or with a few friends.
We've pretty much tripled the amount of plants in here, tripled the group working here, and I could tell kids loved it. I loved it.
It's a labor of love, and for the first time, students are sharing that with the community.
So we'll have a lot of people come out here and they'll choose 3 succulents of their choice, their own pot, and we'll mix the dirt, then they'll get to plant their own plant and take it home.
And after the succulent planting party, the work continues with everything from projects to research.
So students can come out here and have their agri-science projects out here, learn about propagation techniques, learn about watering practices that would be in a normal greenhouse to prepare them for landscape materials or anything in the plant nursery industry.
The kids love what they're learning, but just being there has its perks.
It's a nice place where you can come, relax, plant a few plants, watch the plants grow. It's a lot different to see a plant in a greenhouse and see how it grows compared to at home. You can see the plant just really thriving.
I know a lot of students at first, they didn't really think that they were going to have a love for plants or things like that, but then they come out here for their agri-science project or join a friend, they're like, hey, no, Mr. Chandra, I want to sign up for this. This is really cool.
A cool program that takes a lot of commitment and, with the help of the community, potential to help it grow even more.
But I want some of the money to go towards the students. So hopefully we can take that money and put it back into the program and buy some more succulents, but also kind of give them some money in their student account where they can pay for their yearbook or pay for their FFA jacket. Things that make them feel like they're being rewarded by being out here and all their hard work.